Today we're going to talk about how to pick out and care for a good cabbage plant for your vegetable garden. It's your choice, red or green. They're both going to be about the same. I think the green ones will mature a little bit earlier. It says 55 to 100 on the green and 75 to 100 days on the red for them to mature. So green ones will be a little bit earlier, but they're going to come out at about the same time. Just want to take a look and make sure that they all look good in there and that there's one in each spot for them, so you're not getting less for your money. Make sure that all the bottoms are nice and solid, not snapped off or anything, and no yellow leaves on them. That one looks pretty good. There's no spots on any of the leaves. There's nothing wrong with these ones. Pretty good looking plant. You got to plant these in full sun. Both of them take full sun, just like just about every vegetable here. They both have about the same spacing recommendation, about 18 inches. So once you get those big cabbage heads, you're going to have enough room for them. You didn't plant them all too close together. You can plant them in any kind of good black dirt, a potting mix, or a garden soil, anything like that. So they're getting those good nutrients out of the good dark black soil. Don't forget to water them. Very important that you water them. At least once a day or every other day, and I would recommend using a good old-fashioned Miracle-Gro fertilizer. It's going to be good for just about anything. It's going to make them get bigger faster, and just about the Miracle-Gro is good for just about any plant you have. You could use it on anything. That's why I recommend just getting that, since I mean if you get any too much, you can use it for anything else, but you just want to make sure that they're not browning out or have any spots on them, and full sun, and don't forget to water them, and you should have some good cabbage in about I'd say right around the 90-ish day range.